everyone, welcome to this last video in Math 81, Chapter 3, Section 1, where we are solving formulas for a given variable. Alright, so we're going to do two examples in this video. This is the first one right here. It says solve the formula A equals 2 times the quantity S plus T for T. Okay, so again, we need to think about how this is being grouped and arranged in orders of operations. Okay, these parentheses are grouping the S and the T together. So what does that mean? Well, that means that I have to get rid of this 2 before I can do anything to get rid of the S. Okay? There's actually two different ways to think about or solve this problem. So I'm going to show you both ways. Okay, they are both equally valid mathematically. And then when this video is over and then you're doing your homework, you can just, pick whichever one makes you the happiest or makes the most sense to you. Okay, so one method, again, this is not in any order of precedence or anything like that, but one way to think about this and to proceed is to divide both sides by 2. And hopefully you can see that when we do that, these 2's go away, So we have A over 2 is equal to S plus T. Okay, and then remember we're still trying to isolate our T, and right now it has an S next to it, and so the way we undo this plus S is to subtract S from both sides of the equation. And again, to kind of help yourself, you can always draw this nice little line here. So we have A over 2 minus S is equal to T. Okay, and that is one way to solve this formula for T. So let's look at a different way of doing it. Again, not a better way or a worse way, just a different way. Okay. Many of my students, which is completely valid, they see this and they want to distribute. Okay, and again, if that's how you would like to proceed, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay, so we have 2S plus 2T. Okay, so again, remember, we're still having that goal of solving for T. So before I can get rid of the 2 next to T, I have to get rid of the 2S. So I need to subtract 2S from both sides. Okay, and again, it's always a good idea to draw that line down the middle of your equation so that you don't lose track of the left side or the right side. Okay. Let me move this over. Okay, so, let's see. So I'm going to have, sorry about that, I have kind of a line in the middle there. A minus 2S is equal to 2T. Let me do that over here. A minus 2S, 2T. Okay, at this point, I still have this 2, so I have to divide everything by 2. So you could do A minus 2S over 2 is equal to T.